Number 54. Which of the following is equal to d squared y over dx squared? So this represents the second derivative of y with respect to x. That's what we need to find. So we got to find it using implicit differentiation. So let's differentiate this equation with respect to x. The derivative of x cubed is 3x squared. The derivative of y cubed is 3y squared times dy dx. And the derivative of 35 is 0. So now we need to solve for dy dx. Let's subtract both sides by 3x squared. So we're going to have 3y squared dy dx is equal to negative 3x squared. Our next step is to divide both sides by 3y squared. These will cancel, and we can also cancel 3. And so we're going to get this. dy dx is equal to negative x squared over y squared. So now what we're going to do is we're going to differentiate this equation with respect to x and differentiate the left side with respect to x. When we do that, the derivative of dy dx with respect to x is d squared y over dx squared. And you can kind of see that. Dx times dx is basically dx squared. And d times dy is like d squared y. Over here, we need to use the quotient rule. So f over g, the derivative of that is going to be g f prime minus f g prime over g squared. So we can see that f is the numerator, negative x squared. G is y squared. F prime is going to be negative 2x. G prime will be 2y times dy over dx. So let's start over here. G f prime. G is y squared. F prime is negative 2x. And then minus f. F is negative x squared times g prime. That's going to be 2y times dy dx. And this is going to be all over g squared. So that's y squared squared. So multiplying these two, we're going to get negative 2x y squared. Here we could cancel the two negative signs, so it's going to be plus 2x squared y and then times dy dx. On the bottom we have y squared squared. 2 times 2 is 4, so we get y to the 4th power. Now notice that dy dx is equal to negative x squared over y squared. So we want to replace dy dx with that. So this is going to equal negative 2x y squared plus 2x squared y times negative x squared over y squared. So this y squared right here, it's equivalent to y times y. And notice we could cancel one of the y's. So what we now have is negative 2x y squared. Here we have 2x squared times negative x squared. So that's negative 2x to the fourth, and we have a y on the bottom. And this is all divided by y to the fourth. Now, what I'm going to do in the next step, I'm going to multiply the numerator and the denominator by y. So this will give me negative 2x y to the third power. Here the y variables will cancel, so minus 2x to the fourth. And y to the fourth times y to the first power, we need to add the exponents, so 4 plus 1 is 5. Now, what I'm going to do at this point is I'm going to factor the GCF in the numerator. So I'm going to take out a negative 2x. Negative 2x y cubed divided by negative 2x, we're just going to get y cubed. Negative 2x to the 4 divided by negative 2x, that's positive x cubed. Now, notice what we have here. Y cubed plus x cubed, we have that there. And notice that it's equal to 35. So we're going to replace this with 35. So we're going to have negative 2x times 35 over y to the fifth. 2 times 35 is 70, so we're going to get negative 70x over y to the fifth. So this corresponds to answer choice D.